Hello, class 8. Hope children are well, good, and safe at home. So, today we are going to the third topic of grammar as we have referred first two articles and punctuations. Now, we are going to study the third one, that is comparison, degree of comparison. Now, comparatives. Comparison happens between two people, more than two people. So there are forms of comparison also. They have the names also, which we are going to study in the chapter. As comparatives, look at these two examples. Renu is taller than her sister. Puneet is more intelligent than Kapil. So here two peoples are compared with each other with their own capabilities or appearance. As Renu is taller. Renu is taller than her sister means her sister is not tall, she is short. Puneet and Kapil. So Puneet is more intelligent. Taller, more intelligent are comparative forms. Formation of comparative forms. Comparatives are formed by adding er or more. In adjectives, we add er, or there are words in adjective with that words we cannot add er, so instead of er we write more. With short words we use er, with comparative long words we use more. So general idea, in case of some words we have to remember the comparative forms: big, bigger; good, better; much, many, more; comfortable, more comfortable; bad, worse; far, farther. So for such cases you have to remember the form of the comparative word. That is, if it is good, while converting into comparative form you have to use better; bad, worse; far, farther. As you know, big, bigger, it's quite easy to add er in the adjective. We use comparative to compare two things which I have just said. We may mention both the things, or we may mention one and the other may be understood after comparatives. We often use then. Could you walk a bit faster? After comparatives, we often use then. You have seen taller than, intelligent than. Then is used THA and then. Remember the spelling, not E and then. A and then. You can walk faster than me. Could you speak a bit louder? If it is in question form, you have to use like this. If it is in normal sentence, declarative, you can walk faster than me. You can speak more loudly than I can. Exercise. The essay isn't very easy. I'm sure you can write a better one. If it is good, then better. The child is sitting too close to the television set. Ask him to move a bit far away. He's sitting too close to, you can say, farther away. I can't understand these books. Give me something better. Because it is good but he can't. Though these rooms are rather small, I expected them to be bigger. You are rather young for this role. We need someone younger. Or older. You are very young. We need older one. I can't afford this dress. Could you show me something better? We are late for the show. We should have come later. So this is the adjective we have to refer. We have to write accordingly. I'll give you the worksheet for the same. Read these situations, then complete the sentences. Yajan came at 6 o'clock. Rachit came at 6:30. Rachit came later than Yajan. So simple sentence. You don't have to write the timings. He came 6 and he came at 6:30. So just who came late? Just mention that. Rachit came later than Yajan. So simple comparison is to be given. As we can see in the next, oranges are 48 a dozen, bananas are 36. Oranges are costlier than bananas. Arjun is 165 meter tall. Jay is 160. Arjun is taller than Jay. A train takes 3 hours to reach Agra. A bus takes 5 hours to. A bus takes more hours to reach Agra. Garima's house is 5 kilometers away from the Sumit's house is 2 kilometers. Sumit's house is nearer nearer than Garima's house. Javed got A1 in English. Ravina got A2. Javed got more score than Ravina. The mason is paid 400 per day. Labor is paid. So labor is paid less than mason. So such words you have to use. You will get the practice. Then you will easily use the form of verb. This is just basic of comparison. So here the introduction of this I have given. We will see the next examples from the different source as well. So these are the exercises which you will see. In the second section, we can use these words before comparison: much, a lot, a bit, a little, slightly. Example is given. It is much cheaper to travel by train than by air. Staying at 5-star hotel is a lot more expensive than staying at resort. Exercise third is just you have to use then wherever necessary. So you have to write the comparative form as well. You can see the price in first, the height of the girls, reading, who's reading. In the next picture, the one who's school building, appearance of the school or result of the school, the one who's running. Next comes, look at the table showing details of two classmates. So you can write the sentences or you can fill up the sentence. For this exercise you don't have to worry, I'll give you the different exercises. Just make sure you understand, try to make out the meaning, the concept of the topic. Now here we use the with two comparatives. The faster you walk, the sooner you get tired. The more I sleep, the lazier I feel. So the comparative forms when one thing is directly related to other, so the is used. The slower you write, the fewer mistakes you make. So slower and fewer both are comparative form. Before this we used the. Then again the exercise on the based of this pattern, the is being used. Next comes then, as. Now as is form of the first form of degree, that is known as positive degree. And when we use then, positive is again comparison, but they are slight. And then Mr. Gupta, Mr. Rao, Mr. Khan are rich people, so they are saying all about them. So last two sentences mean the same. We can use either of them. Madhu is prettier than Shilpa. Shilpa is not as pretty as Madhu. So for getting this in better, I'll give you the different examples also. Then as me as I am. He is richer than me. He is rich as me. He is richer than I am. He is as rich as I am. So comparison when you use as also and then also. So after then or as, it is more informal and more usual in modern English to say me, us, him, then I, we, she. Earlier we used to write this I, we, she, but now possessive forms of the pronoun are we writing. So as also being used, not as or not so as. Positive form has so as also, not and as also, which I am going to teach you. The third form of the degree is known as superlative degree. Here we can see the sun is the hottest star. So there are many stars in the sky, but among all, the sun is the hottest. So the and est at the end of the adjective. So it becomes the superlative form, the most intelligent. Earlier we wrote more intelligent. In superlative, the most, the plus most. Superlative forms when we have to compare more than two things. Tall, tallest, comfortable, most comfortable, bad, worst. So you have to remember this chart. Dark, darkest, good, best, far, farthest. You can see the examples. Sukhdev is the richest person in the town. Means there are many people in the town, but he is the richest among all. We don't have to mention among all. In the town, it means it's comparison between more than two. Rajasthan is the biggest state in India. There are 28 states. So if the one who is biggest is Rajasthan. Today is the happiest day of my life. Yesterday was the hottest day of the year. And most is being used with such words which are large. So this is all about this. You try to refer the exercises. I'll give you the different examples as well.